Is it visible to you? Okay, the presentation may see here. The 11th question is given to you. Okay, exercise 6.3. 11th question you see here. Question number 11. In figure 6.40, E is a point on CB. E is a point on CB produced. Figure is given to you. Triangle ABC is given to you here. Like this. And CB is produced. CB is produced. It is an isosceles triangle. Of a triangle, isosceles triangle. That means AB is equals to AC. Okay, it is an isosceles triangle. AB is equals to AD, and AD is perpendicular to BC. So E is the point here, and CB produced. AD perpendicular to AD is perpendicular to BC. EF is perpendicular to AC. EF is perpendicular to AC. Like this it is given. Okay. And asking to you to prove ABD triangle similar to triangle ECF. Triangle ECF. So this is the question given to you. Okay. Now you see here. So this is a triangle ABC is given to you, isosceles triangle. So what are the given things? Let us write here. Given AB is equals to AC, these two are equal, it is given that. And AD is perpendicular to BC.
So part of the board is not visible.
EF.
Sir, your drawing is not coming in the screen, sir. Sir, it's outside the frame.
Wait. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir. Now is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir. So here, in this triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle given, and AB is equals to AC is given. AB is equals to AC. Okay. So AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC. And asking you to prove that ABD triangle is similar to E. So ABD triangle, this one, ABD triangle, I'm showing to you. ECF triangle. ECF triangle, similar it is asking you to prove. In these two triangles, one angle is equal, that is 90 degrees, as it is given to you perpendicular. It is a simple task. Okay. So AD is perpendicular, so either it is 90 degrees, means here also it is 90 degrees, and here it is 90 degrees. If we are able to prove that one angle is another angle is equal, then you can say that these two triangles are. So here, given that AB is equals to AC, then that excuse me, sorry. AB is equals to AC is given. So given AB is equals to AC, then angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So AB का opposite this angle है, this का opposite this angle है. This angle will become in this triangle. This angle will become in this triangle. Over. So AB का opposite क्या है? AB का opposite angle ACB is equals to angle ABC. Angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. So now in triangle ABD and triangle ECF, these two triangles we are taking. So ACB is equal, sorry, ACB नहीं, ABD triangle में क्या है angle? ABD triangle में this ABC angle. So angle ABC here. ABC can be written as ABD also. You may get doubt, sir. You are mentioning ABD triangle, but writing ABC triangle. ABC angle. ABC angle, ABD angle, both are equal. Okay, so you can write here instead of ABC, ABD also. ABD is equals to ECF. ECF. You can write angle ECF also. Because here, from 1. And perpendicularity, ABD. Otherwise, you can mention that here is these 2 points. From this point, you can say that angle ADB is equals to angle EFC because both are 90 degrees. Therefore, by AA similarity criterion, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. ABD is similar to ECF. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Simple problem only here. One angle is equal. To prove the one angle is equal, it is given to you. Instead of giving directly, two sides are equal mentioned here. So that's why we have to concentrate on the whatever it is given to us. Here it is given to us, extra given to us. AB equal to AC is extra given to us. Okay. So coming to the 12th problem, the question is given that sides AB, BC, and median AC. I'm going to explain to you, show it to you. This is the question here. Sides AB and BC and median AD. Median is nothing but already what is median I have explained to you. So sides AB, BC, and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ, QR, and median PM of a triangle PQR. Two triangles should be taken, two sides and one median, ABC and AD median, okay, are proportional to the PQ, QR, and PM median. Then ABC triangle is similar to the PQR triangle we need to prove here. Okay, so let us draw the two triangles separately here. So we are going to take the triangle ABC, ABC, and triangle PQR. They may not be equilateral triangle. What is given here? A median. Median is nothing but here. And most of the students will get confused that when you draw the isosceles triangles or equilateral triangles, so perpendicular बोल के समझता है the problem. That's why I have changed it. Triangle may be like this also. Median ऐसा होता है, perpendicular नहीं. So that's why better you draw the not equilateral triangle so that confusion will not be there. Otherwise, you may get confused here. Here AD is the median. This is the median. And here PM is the median. Median is nothing but this is equal to this one. This is equals to this one. Midpoint. Either D is the midpoint, either M is the midpoint. So what is given to us here? Given that proportional AB, BC, and AD are proportional. These are proportional to the PQ, PR, and PM. Okay, this is the thing given to you. Okay, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, wait. Sorry. So what is given here? These sides are proportional. Here it is given AB, PQ. So AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AD by PM. These are the things given to us and asked you to prove that these two triangles are similar. So here, whenever it is given that AB by PQ, BC by QR is equals to AD by. Now here, whenever you observe this one, simple here, this problem is very simple here. But the 13th problem, whenever you compare them, little bit different here. So what you get here? Let us write here AB by PQ, BC by 2 by QR by 2 is equals to AD by PM. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When these two are equal, proportion by 2 also, whenever you divide by 2 also, they are proportional only. So what we get here? AB by PQ is equals to BC by 2 means BC में half क्या है? BD होगा. तो BD. QR by 2. QR में half क्या है? QM होगा. QM is equals to AD by PM. From this, what you can observe here, this one by this one, BD by QM, AD by PM are equal. That means you can say that by SSS criterion, you can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. But you may get doubt, sir, it is not asking to prove these two. Why you are proving this one? The reason behind it that when these two triangles are similar, this angle is equal to this angle. So these two angles are equal. This side by this side equal to this side by this side. And these two angles are equal. SAS criterion, the triangle, bigger triangles, ABC triangle is similar to PQR triangle. So to prove these two angles are equal, ये दोनों angle equal prove करने के लिए हमको ये दोनों triangles similarity prove करना. That is necessary here. ABD and PQR and PQM triangles are similar. So that therefore, by corresponding parts are equal, corresponding angles are equal when the two triangles are similar. So you can say that ABD angle is equals to PQM angle. And you can say that this is, you can consider here 1. Now let us take the triangles, whatever it is asking, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles. In this triangle, AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. This is given. Okay. So this is QR. So and also from 1. Angle ABC, ABD or ABC both are same is equals to angle PQR from 1. Okay, so these two are equal, these two are. So by SAS criterion, you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. In this problem, it is very simple here. As it is given that the sides, whenever you consider that, the sides